is nuclear energy. Actually, we are having two types of nuclear energy: nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. In case of nuclear fission, a slow moving neutron when strikes on the uranium 235, then it will break down into smaller fragments like beryllium and krypton, right? And then it will lead to the production of 3 neutrons as well as large amount of energy, heat energy. So what do we observe? We observe that a larger nucleus is broken down into smaller fragments in case of nuclear fission along with the energy. Whereas in case of nuclear fusion, two smaller atoms combine with each other and they produce energy, right? So nuclear fission, fragmentation into smaller parts; nuclear fusion, combination of small nucleus into bigger one, right? This nuclear fusion actually takes place in the sun and they produce energy, right? These are the nuclear power plants in India. For example, Kota in Rajasthan, Kakrapar and Tarapur in Gujarat, Kaiga in Karnataka, Kudankulam, Madras and Narora. Now, what are the demerits of nuclear power plants? Storage and disposal of the waste. They are actually radioactive in nature. Hence, storage and disposal of the waste is quite difficult. Decaying into harmful subatomic particles. For example, after uranium 235 fission, beryllium and krypton, they are produced, but they both are radioactive in nature. For the hundreds of years, they will continuously giving out harmful radiation. They may lead to environmental contamination and to cancer to our body as well as animals. There are definitely leakages of accidental leakages. There are chances of accidental leakages. There is risk of accidental leakages from the nuclear reactors, right? And they are having very complex technology, so they are very costly in nature. Now, what are nuclear bombs? Nuclear bombs are nothing but the uncontrolled fission or fusion reaction. Nuclear bombs are nothing but uncontrolled fission or fusion reaction, so that whole amount of energy, drastic amount of energy, tremendous amount of energy will be produced in a very small amount of time, in a very small span of a time. Hence, it will just blast like a bomb and huge amount of heat will be produced. It will devast the whole area on which this nuclear bomb might be dropped. Now, these are the two bombs that have been used in human history so far. The little boy and fat man, they were respectively dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki on 6 August 1945 and 9 August 1945 on Japan, and that had concluded the World War II by the surrender of Japan. The bomb, little boy, which was dropped on Hiroshima, had used uranium 235 as the fission material, and the bomb fat man, which was dropped on 9th August 1945 on Nagasaki, had used plutonium 239 material, right? And see, even today you find there are varieties of defects that we can see on humankind as well as the plant. These are the worst ever days of human history. Presently, the world has so many nuclear bombs that it is possible to completely devast the earth, wipe out the total living bodies, whether it is plant or animal, throughout the world for hundreds of years. We should never use this nuclear energy, this nuclear technology for the harmful ways. They should be better utilized for the productive ways. And this was the man, Albert Einstein. He had given the equation energy is equal to mc square, where E is equal to mc square, where E stands for energy, m stands for the mass that has been lost in the reaction which converts into energy, and C is the light, that is 3 into 10 to 8. For more such videos, stay tuned to our channel, RKSS Free Education. Thank you for watching.